Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 52 dashboard blade templating in Laravel 12 and you want to add a counting box. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service +919941599815 anytime contact. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is my project is already run. Inside this is a dashboard, inside this is a implementation, this is a counting box. Same here, inside counting box is a step by step implementation. In this is a implementation. This is a localhost PHP my admin is the implementation. This is a localhost PHP my admin already started, and this is a database name, and this is a list of table is available, and this my project is available gem directory inside this htdoc directory, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this is already run. Let's same URL is a copy route inside web.php, find this URL, find successfully available super admin this middleware. And this is a dashboard controller. Inside this function is available. This function less dashboard controller is available. This is http controller, and this is a dashboard controller, and this is available dashboard controller, and this is a 1-2 means is available super admin is available. This is a super admin, this available super admin is available. Let's same name is this is a super admin inside this dashboard file is available. Super admin in this dashboard file successfully available. Let's inside this is a hellos and refresh this page successfully. This is a show good working. Let's step by step inside this is a implementation. Refresh this page working fine, and this is a layout is a previous all video check. This is a layout is available, header, footer and sidebar app, and this is all available. This backend all available. Let's step by step implementation. This is a dashboard open inside this implementation. Div class container pay4, div class row, div class call md3, a style text decodation and none, div class card text white busy primary mb is a 3, div class card header and this is the name is a implementation. First is a user. Let's user name is a set user. Div class card body s5 class card title and p tag class card text total user, otherwise registration user. This is a total user. Successfully this is a one box is a create. This refresh this page. Oh nice, this is a working fine. This is a total user. This is a good working. Less one is a why not show. Less one is a inside this my standing in. This is a p tag in this cut, and inside this paste here, and this is a one save file. Okay, this is a one is a show. This is a good working. This is a fine. Please step by step write down this code. Okay, this is a one is a show. This is good. First of all, this is a user. User is a available total user. All good. Please step by step write down. This is a all step by step write down. All successfully. This is a total registration. This is remove and total users. Please step by step write down. All successfully set. And refresh this page and working fine. This is a total users. Next is the implementation student. So same here, copy and paste here student. This is a user is implementation. Next is a students. The same name is a copy and paste here students. Students is available to the same URL is a copy, and inside this is a URL is a pass here. URL successfully paste here. Let's refresh this page, and this is a student is available. Let's click this, and 100% working fine. Let's next is a this is a available. This same name is a copy URL. Same here, save file and refresh this page. Successfully working fine. Working fine. This is a read and redirect. This working fine. Less color is a different color is a implementation user different color is this is a success. Success color is a set and refresh this page. Working fine this success. Next is available teacher. So the same name is a copy and paste here save file and refresh this page. Working fine this teacher, and this color is a sense. This is a warning color. Teacher is a warning color is a set, and this click this teacher, and the same name copy, and this is a paste here, and this is a number is a sense 10 and teacher, and the same name is a URL is a copy, and this return redirect inside this return redirect. Let's refresh this page and working fine dashboard and click this teacher and working good. Next is the implementation subject. Same name copy, paste here and subject. Subject is the implementation subject, and subject subject is a only 8 subject 8 lecture means X subject is available. This is a URL is a create subject. This is a color is a sense. This is a info. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a set. This is the info. This is all good. User, student, teacher and subject. This click the subject 100% redirect. Next is a class is a implementation class. The same name copy and paste here class. Class name. Class. Total class is a 20 total class, and this is a refresh this page. 100% is available, but this is a URL is a sense. The same name is a class URL, and this color is a sense. This is a color is a danger, and refresh this page. This is a danger color is available. Okay, this is successfully available this danger, and click this successfully working. Less environment, the same name copy, and this is last. This is the environment. Let's click this enrollment, not environment. This is the enrollment. Sorry, my mistake. And this page not English good. This working fine. This is a, and this is a color is a sense. This color is a different color is a BTN. Info is available. Let's bootstrap color is a set. Bootstrap color bootstrap color is available. This is a all color is available. Secondary. Let's secondary is a implementation secondary. Okay, successfully secondary is implementation. Refresh this page and working fine. This is a enrollment. This successfully secondary is available. Let's click this and 100% is a return redirect. Last two button is the last two button is inside this implementation. This last two button, same name, copy and paste here, and this is a payment. Payment is a set. This is a payment. Payment is a, this is a 200, and this is a return redirect is a available payment. Save file and refresh this page. 100% payment is available. Let's click this, working fine. This payment all good. Let's inside this color is available. Okay, all color is set. Let's next color is inside this available, not available. This is a dark. Let's dark is a set. This is a dark. Dark is a set, and refresh this page. This is available dark, all good. And last is a implementation attendance. The same name, copy, paste your attendance. This is a attendance. Attendance is a set here, and the same name attendance is a paste here. And this is a color is a different color is available, and this is a secondary. Light color is a set. Light color is a set, and refresh this page. Successfully light color is a not good. Warning, dark, success, info is a implementation. Dark is a already implementation, and this is a color is a secondary danger. Mute is not good. White is not good. Body class, okay, not a good. This is a muted. Let's check this, refresh this page. Muted is working, not a good. This is a white color. This is all boost up color is available, not a next extra is a color is not available. This is the same name is a primary is a set. Okay, this is a primary and set, and refresh this page, working fine. This is all successfully set. Let's click this attendance and working fine. This is the only HTML tag is a set. Please step by step write down this file. Please step by step write down. Well, good. And this is just counting box only. Counting box HTML set. Only HTML is a set. This is a box wise is a HTML is a set, successfully set. And any doubt, so please contact this. My number is available +91 99415999815 www.errorsolutioncode.com. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always 24/7. And please subscribe my channel, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub, and this follow this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please step by step write down. This is all good. Thank you.